Alright guys, so one of the things that you run into when your HOA doesn't want to repair stuff is that you see how there's lines and grooves and stuff like that and actual water damage. Like for instance right here, you can see this line right there. It is caused by water damage, but not only that, if you can see the door on the bottom here doesn't fully match up. And so every time that it rains really hard, right, you get puddles like, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a puddle there. But right here it's wet. I don't know if there's a way to show the water, the sheen, the shine of the water that keeps dripping in. Anyway, but you can see over there that there's water damage. Now I've reported this to the HOA and told them that the problem was the sprinkler, the nefarious sprinkler that was outside. They wouldn't remove it or give us money for the door, but now we're gonna have to fix.
Likey.